Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the middle of setting up my planner for the month of March, and I was getting ready to do a washi dashboard. I've seen them all over. I'm not, it's the first one that I'm gonna make, but I figured let me just record it and see, maybe it can help someone. All right, so I was getting ready. It's not ready yet, so I am cutting my dashboards. This is one of the dashboards, but this is the paper pad that I'm gonna use for my setup. I have a little flip. If you want to see it, I'll link that down below. But I went into my stash and I found these washi tapes. I feel they're perfect for my setup, and I am going to use it in the back of this dashboard to make it super cute. So I'll let you watch the video. Again, I've never made one before. This is my first one, so here goes nothing. The first thing I did was to arrange them the way that I think I want them laid on my dashboard. So I think this is a nice and cute arrangement. Cute, right? And I think I'm going to start from the middle and then work my way down and then up. I switched it again, so I think this might look better. Now I'm just gonna do it in reverse and finish it up. I think this is gonna be the weird part. So how do you pick this up now? I don't wanna, how do you, okay, I have to pick it up somehow, right? Look at how weird is this? Oh my god. Okay, so I guess you could either cut it up with scissors or with the X-Acto knife. Let's see. You know, I wonder if I could do the way that I always do it. I either use a ruler or a, oh, I guess I could do this. What do you, have you guys done any of these? Like, what do you use? It feels weird. Yeah. What a mess. Okay, let's just try an old-fashioned pair of scissors. Let's see how this works out. My God, it's all finished. Look how cute it looks. Oh my God. So pretty. Okay, so what I'll do, I am going to laminate it, I think, because I want this to last for a while. So I'm gonna laminate it so I could use it in a different planner. Oh my God, how pretty. I love it. I'm gonna laminate it and put it in my planner. Right, here it is. This is what it looks like, all nice and laminated. I love it. Now let's put it in my planner. I love it. All right, I'll do a flip through of this planner when she's ready, but for now I'm gonna thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.